Hello everyone, I'm Uchala and welcome back to my channel. So being an advocate and a lady, I felt it's my moral duty to enlighten the women out there about their laws and rights which I'm aware of through this platform. So let's get started. We are all entitled to human rights such as right to vote, right to own a property, right to earn equally, etc, etc. But there are several laws specifically provided for women that gives women the power to fight adversities such as harassment, violence and many more. The first and foremost thing is this number that is flashing right now on the screen. This number has been there in existence since very long, but seldom do women know about it. If you are suffering from violence, harassment and abuse, don't suffer in silence. Instead of that, call on this number for help. The second one is right against workplace harassment. The working woman suffers harassment a lot on a daily basis. The Me Too movement has proved that harassment is present from cubicles to classrooms. Therefore, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013 comes into play. This act protects the woman from harassment and also pertains to sexual harassment complaints. Next is women have the right against being stalked. If someone follows you or tries to contact you to foster personal interaction repeatedly despite a clear no, or by using any form of electronic communication, then you can take a legal action against such offender under section 354D of IPC, which is Indian Penal Code. Next is right to maternity benefit. The Maternity Benefit Act 1961 grants every working woman the right to have a full paid absence leave from work to take care of her child and herself. Every organization that has more than 10 employees comes under the obligation to follow this act. Next one is women have the right to equal pay. According to the provisions listed under the Equal Remuneration Act, no one can be discriminated on the basis of sex when it comes to salary, pay or wages. So both the woman and man should get equal salary. Next is right against domestic violence. Women from all walks of life are subjected to domestic violence. So women assaulted by their husbands, brothers, fathers or live-in partners are protected under this act. So here comes your another right, the right to register virtual complaints. The law gives women the provision for filing virtual complaints by email or writing it down and then sending it to the police station from a registered postal address. Further, if there is a situation when a woman can't go to the police station physically, then the SHO sends a police constable to her house to record her complaint. The next one is right to zero FIR. This right is not gender specific, but all the women out there should know about it. So let's get into it. So zero FIR is an FIR that can be filed at any police station irrespective of the location where the incident occurred. In such a case, the police officer can't deny that they have no jurisdiction. Later on, the FIR can be transferred to the respective jurisdiction. Next one is right to no arrest. No woman can be arrested before 6 AM and after 6 PM even if the police officer possesses an arrest warrant as per section 46 of Civil Procedure Code 1973. Not only this, a woman can't be forced to go to the police station for interrogation. Furthermore, under section 160 of CPC, women can demand the interrogation to be carried out at her residence in the presence of a constable, family or friends. But in the exceptional circumstances, the woman police officer shall, by making a written complaint and obtaining the prior permission of judicial magistrate of first class, can make arrest. Last but not the least, you have the right to free legal aid. In case you don't have resources to bear litigation expenses, you can ask for free legal aid. This is all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. So know your rights and do exercise them. Thank you.